Well, it's Monday. I just got dug out of my driveway. It's about 10:30. Got the neighbor's driveway cleared out for her. Roads don't look too bad. Tracking to the shop, get something done. The store's closed today, so parking lot's gonna be a mess, but I'm gonna make my way there. Doug's having a fun time caulking the inside of the cabinets. That looks pretty good.
Well, yeah, it's white on white. It don't stand out like a sore thumb.
And I'm about halfway done. I got the slide out to do, bottom half of the slide out, and then we still got to wipe clean the underneath the aluminum trim where the compartment doors are, and do that, and then this side will be done. Man,
that's what I was saying.
Did a number on that.
That's what I was saying when I looked under there the other night. They hit something evidently.
That's a panel that covers all this, protects all this under there. You can see all the dirt. Doug just dug out of there. Trailer was definitely dragged across something. With us being now the fourth owner of it, who knows who did it, but they KO'd something. Got the coat of wax on, the slide out, and then everything above the silver trim will be done. Coming along. Well, all I got is from here down, all the boxes, and this side will be done. Looking amazing. Definitely looks a lot brighter, a lot slicker. We're happy with it. Only took me about 8 hours to do all that. It's a long, slow process. Doug already left. I'm the only one here. He got all the stuff out of the cabinets so we can put carpet and coin flooring in some of them. That will probably be coming later in the week or over the weekend, next weekend. It's 3:30. I'm heading out. We will catch you all later this week. For being a state road and a major state road, don't look like many plows have been down this one. It was the same way when I came in at 10:30, so 5 hours ago. Well, it's Thursday night. Back at it. Doug and George stayed Tuesday night. I couldn't be here, but they got all these cabinets cleaned out, wiped down, kind of degreased. Looking a lot better. Daryn's been caulking. Took the ladder off yesterday. He took it to Adam at Fuller's Shine Shop. He's polishing that up ahead of coming next week to work on this. Doug picked up our carpet that for the cabinets we're going to carpet. Got our coin floor for the cabinets that need new coin flooring in the bottom of them. This cabinet for one. I think we might do the back wall in this one because this is where all our lubricants, aerosol stuff go. It's always kind of a mess, so I didn't want to carpet it. Daryn got that cabinet door up there done. We're going to try and get it painted tonight. When we first got this thing, we had these two door panels were scratched up from where they were open, and somebody opened the slide and it puts big gouges in them. Daryn didn't want to replace them because he thought it wouldn't match. Well, after seeing how this looks after I polished it over the weekend, it's pretty dang close. Then He made new panels. Them are new ones ready to go on. But they're pretty dang close to this, so they're not going to stick out. I think tonight I'm going to try and get the bottom half of this polished. I don't know what Doug's going to work on, but something I'm sure. Somebody please come buy this thing. $185,000. You can own it. Take it home. Nice truck. Definitely nothing wrong with it. Did what we needed it to do. Doug had planned on keeping it a while until this deal came along, and with what's going on next year, or the plan for next year, which is changing by the day, we needed a 2-car trailer, something that we could all sleep in. Plan on doing a little more traveling. New car is done. It is ready to go, ready to be picked up. Don't know when that is going to happen. Predicting another 2 to 4 inches of snow tonight and tomorrow here in St. Louis. So waiting on the weather to break and get a couple days where there's no snow on the ground, no rain, so the car don't get all salty coming back home. So there's playing the waiting game on that. Catch you all after a while. Well, this side's completely done. Polished and waxed. Got them 2 door panels on. They kind of stand out a little bit. See what they look like in the sun, how bad it is. Doug's been on a cleaning mission. Got the frames of the doors all cleaned up. They were brown. They're back to silver. So that looks good. Don't know what he did in there. Got this cabinet door frame painted so we can put it together and put it in. Checking things off the list. Probably be back at it Saturday. Well, it's Saturday, January 11th. Back here at the shop. Got our holes marked. We're going to carpet this compartment. Got the carpet over there. Doug's getting the stuff to cut it. And we got to put rubber coin floor in this compartment for the rear end. Yesterday we did a test spot on stripping the floor so we can refinish it, seal it, get it looking nice. Doug got that compartment painted. Coming along. Got about another 4 inches of snow yesterday.
And I had to feed a couple of the animals.
Well, got one piece of carpet up. This whole cabinet's getting lined on the inside. Daughter just called. She's sick at work and I gotta go pick her up. So I'm out for the day. It's probably gonna be the end. Got any high quality 3/16 drill bits?
No. No, we don't.
You don't have any.
Fucking a beaver chewing on some wood. It takes fucking days.
Well, Doug did get that carpeted Saturday and that lined with coin floor. That looks pretty good. Got one end carpeted.
No, you don't.
Now that cabinet door's in and done. Cutting the handle in for the remaining cabinet door. Don't forget to peel the pink.
Peeling it right now. Peeling it right now.
Hell, got her all plasticed up. Adam's coming tomorrow. Polish the wheels, all this aluminum trim. We didn't want it to get nasty, so that's done. About 6 rivets short. Darren's going to bring them in tomorrow. Finish that up. This is done. Got the chili bowl on
here tonight, but you can see cars are already starting to move down. We are about to get underway for night number 1 here at the 39th annual.
I wouldn't have
got her covered. Today, it's probably going to be the end of this one. If you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you're thinking. She's coming along. Don't know how much work we're going to get done next week. Talk to you later.